Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you on how to maintain your sewing machine, especially when your stitch is bulging out. Okay, when you sew and your stitch is bulging out, I'm going to provide a solution to it. Okay, you do not just go and call your machine repairer. These are things you can try on your own. If it's beyond you, if you have done this and you're unable to see a good result, then you can call your machine repairer. Alright, and so please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe and turn on the notification bell, especially when you are new. My old subscriber, thank you very much. Alright, this video will be of help to you, so please do not miss any part. Alright, as you can see, it's bulging out already. Alright, and so I'm going to provide a solution to this. Please watch this video to the end. To check is, have you oiled your machine? Apart from oiling your machine, since the problem is attached to your stitch, then what we will consider is your shuttle. Do you know what your shuttle is? Let me show you. This is your shuttle. Okay, your shuttle is this. It is called a shuttle or a bobbin case. It is called a shuttle or a bobbin case. Or a bobbin case. Alright. Now, what is this bobbin case? Why do we suspect this bobbin case? Here we will notice that it is bulging out. Okay, it is bulging out and it is bulging upward, not downward. So it therefore means that our bobbin case is not tight. Okay, how do we know that? Try to drag this thread. You see that it's moving too freely, just too easy. Okay, so what we need to do is this: look for a screwdriver. Look for a screwdriver. All right, this is a screwdriver, and then you have to tighten the knot. Tighten the knot of your screwdriver, which is this. Tighten the knot. How do we tighten the knot? Put it, place it, and you tighten it. Please don't lose it. Tighten it. Okay. You can see. Tighten it. Now, after tightening it a bit, try and drag it. You see there is a slight difference. If it's still moving too freely, tighten it again. And make sure this time it's a little bit tight. Alright, now drag it. You see there's a slight difference. It's not pulling easy as it used to be. Please don't make it to be too tight. Alright, don't make it to be too tight. And so what we just need to do is place it back into your sewing machine. Place it back into your sewing machine and I'm going to fold another part. Okay, I'm going to fold another part and see, and so if it will come out neat and not bulge out as usual. Comparing this with the previous one, you will see that there is improvement. Okay, look at it. Improvement. Okay. Look at the former one. The black is bulging out. The black that I saw underneath is underneath. I use different ones so that we can see, but just take a good look at the one I just saw. You can see it has been taken care of. It has been taken care of. Look at it. Black behind. That's been taken care of. Right. So if this video has added a value to you, please click on subscribe button. It is free. Okay, you will not be charged for subscribing. Alright, you click on the notification bell. Whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified instantly. Okay, when you notice that your stitch is bulging out, do not panic. These are things you can do yourself. Okay, just try this. If you know that it is bulging out, it is coming out here, not underneath but out here, all you just need to do is just try and tighten your bobbin case or your tension. Alright, don't forget to share this video with others. Okay, there are many persons out there that are struggling with this, especially when they have enough clothes to deliver to customers and you see the machine malfunctioning this way. So please click on the like if this video has added value to you, and share it on all your social media platforms: Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, any social media platform. Thank you very much. See you in our next video. Bye bye.